Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today we are going to be talking about major exchange listings for some of the meme tokens within the CRONOS space, but I'm going to focus in specifically today on CRO with Knife, which has been voted 3 weeks in a row the top meme token within the CRONOS ecosystem from a VVS decentralized exchange vote themselves on their Twitter page and through the Discord. Now, we're going to talk about what's coming next because there is a centralized exchange listing, the first centralized exchange listing coming for this very popular meme on CRONOS, CRO with Knife. This thing has caused a wave of new meme tokens to exist. The entire CRONOS ecosystem has jumped on the meme bandwagon, from Ebisu Bay to the Board Candy team as well within CRONOS, to everything out there. Even Ebisu copied the CRO with Knife meme by the Ryoshi with Knife meme as well. And we see mania going on. We've seen new aggregators like WolfSwap come to the CRONOS ecosystem, arguably because of the hype created by CRO with Knife. So let's talk a little bit about it, guys. Today in this video, no, none of this is financial advice. I'm not affiliated or sponsored by this project or CRONOS or Crypto.com in any capacity. This is just straight community excitement that I want to share with you guys in this video today. So if you're into that, smash the like button. If you're not, let me know in the comments down below. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Today I want to talk about this exciting meme token. Now, let's get into it. So today, crypto is doing okay. Bitcoin's down a little bit today. No problem. Back under $70,000, still above the previous bull market all-time high. The CRONOS token is currently coming in at rank number 30, climbing its way up slowly in the ranks. And I know all the CRO Coin holders are waiting for an explosion. And I think that it's very healthy for this meme coin ecosystem to continue to thrive. And that is exactly what it's doing. CRO with Knife is down quite a bit from its highs, but the people in the Discord are still very excited. The community is still very excited, still voting like crazy on some of these votes that have happened through VVS, through the VVS Discord, and certainly still very strong. Now, there's so many winners today. Ryoshi's up 40%. CROB, congratulations to the CROB holders. This one's up huge. Now, the CROB token was listed because VVS Finance themselves, and look at these green candles here, actually propped this thing up, and this actually got selected for meme of the week too. But the truth is that when you look at the votes that have happened, actually, if you go back into the Discord, you'll see that CRO with Knife was outvoted by the CROB for the CROB token. But if you do look at the rules of this vote, they said they were going to list multiple winners. And so they did pick CRO, which was voted by the people. And then also the second runner up was CROB. But clearly some excitement around this because he got an exchange listing. And that is the key, guys. We need exchange listings for any token that you're holding that's not yet on an exchange. When it gets listed on a centralized exchange, that's very big. Now, seriously, the meme CROB getting listed on Crypto.com, that's huge. That is a top tier exchange. But there is a major exchange listing coming for CAW, and arguably, I think at some point, CRO with Knife is going to get listed on Crypto.com exchange and have the same explosion we've seen here on CROB. That is not financial advice. That's just what I believe. But here's the scoop, guys. CRO with Knife right now is crowdfunding actually, the first centralized exchange listing on BitMart, and they are 40% done. In fact, they are more than 40% done, but this was the latest update I saw on Twitter. I think they're very close to the goal, and they're certainly going to get there today. And so that news will be coming later today, and that will likely cause some kind of pump for the CRO with Knife token. I'm imagining nothing's guaranteed, guys. All these things are risky, but I'm still hyped on this play. And honestly, guys, my biggest meme coin holding within CRONOS is CRO with Knife still, because I still believe this community is by far and large the strongest. And we've seen that through these community votes as well, even if VVS wants to prop up the one that they put out there. And credit to them, the community is certainly growing with CROB mob as well. But CRO with Knife is undeniably still the #1 most popular one according to the community. And so people are donating to this CRO fund through here, and you can actually go in and let's look at it live actually, and let's see. There you go. So they're $28,000 the way there to the $37,000 goal, and I think actually they're probably already there because people have been contributing through other means, and I know that's going to get added to this pile later, and likely the dev is probably going to get it the rest of the way there if we are short as a community in getting this thing up there. So that is something going. Now, how big is BitMart and how relevant is this for CRO with Knife? Well, guys, it's actually pretty relevant because 966K followers is huge. Imagine the day that they actually tweet out CRO with Knife is listed. That will be big. That will be the first meme token that is not Corgi AI from CRONOS that has been listed on BitMart. I bet you Corgi AI is listed. I should have probably checked that out, but this is very, very big news, guys. In my opinion, it is not a top tier exchange per se, but it is the 25th biggest exchange according to BitMart. So this is significant. And the most significant thing about this, guys, is do you really believe in a world where BitMart's going to list this and then Upbit or MEXC or any of these other ones like Gate.io are not going to go ahead and list this? Once exchanges start listing it and they see the popularity of tokens explode, what typically happens is other exchanges seemingly FOMO in. And even if they don't just list it on their own, clearly there's a strong community initiative to fund centralized exchange listings. So I do continue to see this, not only this token surviving, but it's still thriving, guys. It's actually very exciting to see this happening. So this does make me bullish on this coin. Greater narratives at play is we need Bitcoin to do well. Bitcoin's still in this wedge. We want to see it have a breakout to the upside. If that can happen, then we can certainly see CRO Coin explode. And with that, not only CRO with Knife, guys, not only CRO with Knife, but will explode, but I think a lot of these tokens will continue to rise up. These are only less than a month old, all these, except for Corgi AI. Corgi AI got to $1 billion market cap. This CRO Coin, now that it has a centralized exchange listing, is already at a $50 million market cap. And I don't see any reason why a couple of these things, some of the big ones, some of the more popular ones, have at least a chance to get there and then some higher. I honestly think they're going to go much higher than that. But again, these are very risky plays, guys. You better be playing with pennies on the dollar. This shouldn't be your main investing strategy. However, there is a lot of money to be made in the memes. That is undeniable. That's why you see Chris Marsliak supporting the meme coin ecosystem that's been thriving on the chain. The CRONOS chain is also supporting this ecosystem and the main meme coin mania that's been going on. You see it with the VVS votes. You see it with the exchange listings. And I think there are more to come, and hopefully more for CRO with Knife. That's a very quick update for you guys today. I just wanted to shout out, the amazing work from the community on all these meme tokens, but specifically CRO with Knife, that has week after week, 3 weeks in a row, won the vote on VVS for the most popular meme. More exchange listings, centralized exchange listings are inevitable, and those will spur more growth. We've seen it in the Solana memes. We're going to see it in the CRONOS memes. We've already seen it with CROB, and I think there's a lot more coming, guys. That's all I got in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Happy Friday, everybody. I hope you have a great weekend. That's all I got in this one. Don't forget to smash the like button if you like this content. Subscribe to the channel for more content. And as always, guys, don't forget to DCA, HODL. Do your own research. And of course, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Got 2 videos for you right here. If you want to check them out, peace, y'all.